I mean, you want to go for a ride?
Go for a ride? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. Today I'm here with my friend Rick.
What's up? What's up?
So Rick, where are we at?
We at Patterson, New Jersey.
It's a beautiful Patterson, New Jersey.
Yes.
Okay.
Somewhat beautiful.
Depends where you are.
Yeah, it depends where you are.
So we hit it off on Instagram, and I saw he had a nice black Vic, and we made it happen today.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Rick. Take it away. What do you drive?
This is a 2000 P71 civilian package. I mean, it's kind of unique to me. It comes with everything a P71 would come with. It just got the civilian package inside, civilian interior, cloth seats, really comfortable. I mean, it drives well, but it got the stiffer suspension, you know.
Okay, so P71, but it's a civilian package. Did it come with all the sway bars and?
Yeah, it came with all the sway bars. It's just like, I guess it's because it was a detective vehicle.
Okay.
For Hudson County Sheriff, and it has all the suspension that a regular P71 would have. It's just civilian inside.
Okay.
So everything is like a regular Crown Vic.
Nice. And you said what year? 2000?
Yeah, 2000.
2000. How long have you had it for?
I had it since September of last year.
Okay, so it's kind of fresh on you. Like a little over 6 months.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, what made you get a Crown Vic and not a 4-door Toyota Camry or Accord?
I guess, you know, rear-wheel drive, V8.
Yeah.
Big body, old school. I mean, I'm into old schools. I mean, you can see, you know, I got a Super B in the back. I got a, you know, a little model Super B. Super nice.
Super B, super nice.
I mean, that's why I like these cars. You know, they're big, they're old school, like.
Nice.
Not really into new cars.
Yeah. You look young, Rick.
19.
19. Into old school V8.
Yeah.
Nice. It's a good place to be.
The gas though? I don't know.
Hey, you gotta have a job to drive this. That's for sure. All right. So you had it. What was the first thing you did on it?
The first thing.
What did you do?
I think it was the rims.
You got these rims?
Yeah, I got the rims. I have, like when I show you the trunk, I have the stock OEM hubcaps, the detective ones that came on the 16s. And now I think it was the rims first.
These ones here?
Yeah, these right here.
What are these off of?
These are off of a 2012 GT.
Mustang.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, I really like these wheels. Why? Because I have a set of these in my garage.
Yeah, I mean, we can make them pop. I mean, they have, like, you know, little scuffs.
Oxidation, I think it's called, where the clear's kind of cracking. Okay, that's not bad at all. They look really good. They look really clean.
Yeah, from far, you really can't see it. So
yeah, even from here. Okay. And what tires are you running on these?
235, 50, 18 Lexanis. I think they're called like LPH, LH something.
Yeah.
I don't know the exact name. It's right there, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, they look really good.
Yeah, they're nice. The 207s.
HP 207s. How do they ride? Smooth?
Yeah, ride smooth. I mean, they got a stiff sidewall.
Yeah.
Takes corners really well, you know, for the weight of the vehicle.
Okay.
You know, it rides good.
Have you drove this in the rain?
Yeah.
How's that handled
in the rain? Good? No problems at all.
Okay.
I had good years on here, and they were bad in the rain.
They're not so good, huh?
Yeah, no, the good years are bad.
Okay, what is the color code of this black? Or the color name?
The color code, I don't know the exact color code of the car.
Probably on the door.
Probably
okay, what else have you done to the exterior?
I mean, the lights, these are carbon black.
Man, that thing
I didn't get them
real
tinted. I don't like them really tinted.
Yeah, these are really clean.
Yeah, I like them clear. The tinted headlights, really, it's not giving to me.
Yeah, I don't like tinted ones. I'm either gonna keep them stock or just something like this. What are you running for the bulbs?
The bulbs, I'm running LEDs.
LEDs?
Yeah, LEDs.
Do you want to turn them on? I think they probably look really nice.
I mean, I think, to me, in my opinion, I don't like how they came out. You know what? It was kind of, you know, I don't...
Okay.
Like the pattern.
Oh, I see that. It's like on top.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like them. I'm going to probably put new ones.
And if you switch the high beams, Is it gonna fill the whole light?
No, if I switch to high beams, the wiring's super weird. If I switch to high beams, it actually turns on one light.
Okay.
And only one light runs.
Maybe somebody in the comments could direct me, because that does look kind of off.
Yeah.
Something's maybe
and I
off.
adjusted the LEDs, you know, like from the inside, because maybe the angle was off and like I didn't put it right.
Yeah, yeah.
And I watched a video on how to put them in correct, and I did it, and
it's still looking like that.
Yeah, it's still looking a little funky. I mean, they work though.
Yeah, in the night they probably look nice, but it still looks good. It's like the black and the clear. Looks nice. All right, you can kill him. I just wanted to say I always like to check out lights because I nerd out on light bulbs and things like that. Okay. Lights, the grill stayed the same.
Yeah.
You gonna keep it?
This grew on me. I love the black. I love the black one, but this chrome one, I'm never getting rid of.
Yeah, it has a really nice, clean touch.
I mean, it's just like, it matches the whole car.
Yeah.
I'd never get rid of the chrome grill ever.
Okay, yeah, not too many people keep that because everybody's just like, if they got a black car, they like black everything out.
Yeah, nah, this I like it.
Yeah, that thing looks, and that matches the wheels too.
I mean, I might do a chrome delete, like the bumper here, but the side, like around the windows, I'm gonna leave the chrome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave that. That looks nice.
Okay. Cool. What else have you done besides the wheels and the lights?
I mean, interior-wise, that's about. I did interior work. Like, I put some seats, some seat covers. I put a blanket back there. I got Dickie floor mats. I mean, I put a Bluetooth. Okay, I mean, that's about it. It's pretty simple. Like, my car is very simple, self-explanatory. I got mud flaps. I like the mud flaps, the Ford mud flaps.
Yeah, I don't think we had anyone with mud flaps on the channel.
Yeah, they look good. I saw them one time and I'm like, I'm gonna steal that idea.
Yeah, it's like a nice little extra accessory.
Yeah, I mean, I did the mud flaps.
Anything in the rear that you, nothing back here?
Nah, nothing. I was gonna do a bumper tuck, but I need a whole bumper. Forget the bumper tuck, I need a whole bumper.
Yeah,
man. Like,
there's a little crack right there.
Yeah.
That's all right. Probably swoop them on the junkyard or Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, but they're expensive.
Really?
Surprisingly, the back bumpers,
yeah,
I haven't seen
Crown
one
Vic,
super
man.
cheap, man. Like, everybody was like, yo, the parts are cheap for this car. I
Not
say
anymore.
otherwise.
Yeah, not anymore. Everybody would be trying to swoop them up. Yeah, new bumper is like 150 bucks. It's primered black already. So
yeah,
it could be
I
like
mean,
that,
it's the shipping, I think, really.
It's the shipping that'll cost you. Cool. I actually like these mud flaps on here. It gives it a nice
the other
touch.
one's a little messed up because I was doing burnouts.
Yeah.
And my tire blew.
Oh,
and
man.
kind of, it ripped everything, like the mud flap. Because I be going to Bunker Hill. I be wilding sometimes, so, you know.
All right, so this car has no holes, no antenna holes, no light,
nothing. It's like straight, like Incognito. And I got the P71 VIN. I had to double check it because it was so like.
Yeah, we got a double.
It's right there.
P71.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
It's a P71. I mean,
right there. Nice. So they definitely kept it on the low radar. Cool. What's your future plans for the outside exterior?
Paint.
Paint. Keep it black.
Yeah, keep it black. I'm gonna buy another set of rims. You know, tents. I'm gonna do 20s black. I'm gonna do 20s on the sides, 5 in the back.
They got no tents now? Just
no
clear?
tents, fishbowl.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
Keeps it classy.
But I mean, this
keep
car,
it simple, huh?
Yeah, this car is gonna be super simple. I'm gonna have to run the pipes because I just cut them off with a Sawzall.
Okay, so you have just straight pipe?
Yeah, so I just got a straight pipe. I'm gonna have to do, muffler work to it.
Okay.
I'm gonna run them through the sides.
Oh, you're gonna do a side dump?
Yeah.
What kind of mufflers you planning to get?
Nah, I'm gonna just run straight pipe.
Straight pipe.
Straight
Okay.
pipe. Yeah, no more mufflers. No more mufflers.
All right. What kind of wheel? You said you're gonna get new wheels. What kind of wheels do you plan to get?
I don't know.
Some
Marketplace, I'm gonna look, try to find
just another pair of wheels.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
I mean, I can show you under the hood.
Let's go. That's next. Under the hood. After that, we got junk in the trunk, and then we'll go on the inside. And then we gotta hear your exhaust because when I pulled up, you were.
Yeah, it was pretty loud.
Yeah, it was nice and.
I mean, I definitely have more work to do under here.
Ooh. There we go.
This I need to put a box around. I don't want no more hot air. It needs to put a box around it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a DIY. I'm gonna do it myself.
Yeah.
Probably put a bracket right here where this is at. Cause I saw I forgot his name. He was a firefighter. He had the he had the
Annis?
Yeah, he had the 2-step.
Yeah, the gold Crown
the
Vic.
gold one.
He sold it.
Yeah, that was nice. I know. I saw it on Marketplace. That was super nice.
That thing's been on there for a while.
Yeah, that was super nice. So
Anna, shout out to you. I keep hearing about your car everywhere we go.
yeah, I mean that's a nice build.
Yeah, it is.
Credit where it's due.
Okay, so how does this intake? Sounds good, huh?
Yeah, it sounds good. I mean, you can hear it pull a lot of air.
Yeah.
I mean, I did a new intake manifold.
What brand is that?
This
is that the Dorman?
Nah, this is not Dorman. I think this is PI. This might be PI.
Yeah. What happened?
The other one leaked.
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 The
you know,
infamous intake leak.
Same commonplace.
Yeah.
I did new coils, all motorcraft, new injectors.
Oh wow. That thing probably runs smooth, huh?
You said what?
It runs smooth now.
Yeah, runs super smooth.
Cool.
Like a sewing machine, huh? Did an oil change. Everything's up to date. I mean, I do my basic maintenance on this car.
Yeah. You do all the work?
Yeah.
Nice. It actually looks really clean under here.
Yeah, because I wash it. I'm very like particular about my car.
Yes.
You know, I love cars, so I try to keep it as clean as possible. Like it's always like this.
Yeah.
It's not just for the video.
Yeah.
Cars always like this.
Yeah, I had my Mercury. I still haven't done any engine detailing.
And nah, it's definitely worth it. When you pop the hood and show people, you know, it's a clean, you know.
It's clean, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this got painted. This I kind of did like some, you know, backyard work too.
Yeah.
Just painted it. I mean, it looks better than before.
It looks good. Yeah, it does.
You know.
Looks really nice. Okay, so you did a bunch of work on here and future plans?